Hey. Yo, I wake up early in the morning, then I brush my teeth. Fuck a beef, I don't hang out in the streets. I be at the studio rhyming the beats, making my ends meet like a football player in a pair of cleats who just got drafted to the league. I'm all about making that cheese, enjoying the sunshine in the Southern California summertime breeze. When I was a kid, always wanted a low rider on gold D's. Now I'm my OG, who don't like standing next to people that don't know me. And if I loan your money, pay it back on time if you owe me. Mr. CR, the dudes that be tripping, that's who we are. And I don't give a fuck about your pussy, bitch, I'm a rap star. Got people speaking up on my name, they know I go hard while you just putting on the good act. You Humphrey Bogart, these retards get slapped in the mouth. Something serious when I turn into the Incredible Hulk and get on some killing shit. Got alcohol in my cup, I'm steady spilling shit. I'm with the shit and kill rappers in front of witnesses. And what the business is, stop your blood clot crying. Your hype man, your DJ, everybody dying, no lying.